Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I'm sitting here working on some chunky bracelets using some of the painted beads with the turquoise. So I am going to make a nice number of these, and I'm using that Howlite turquoise bead with some little custom made charms from beads, and then some of these right here. And I do have, I can probably get about maybe four of these bracelets made because I have about four of the big Howlite turquoise beads. So I'm going to use some of these. And I'm going to start with the Howlite as my focal bead. I don't know if it's the weather or what. Yesterday I did get caught in the rain a little bit. It was just sprinkling at the time I was out because I was headed to worship service in the morning. So it was sprinkling and it wasn't heavy, but I do feel like I have a slight, you know how it feels like when you're catching that cold and you feel slightly sluggish, like just a little bit, not a whole lot, but just a little bit. So I did take some medicine, trying to catch it before it catches up with me. Yesterday at morning service, it was announced that one of the sister congregations, which is Linda Vista Church of Christ here in San Diego, that the entire congregation, they had closed because it was a large number of people within the congregation had COVID. And I was just thinking to myself, nobody gets the flu anymore. Nobody gets a cold anymore. Everything is COVID. And I'm just like, wow, I don't even hear people getting a cold anymore. Everything is COVID, COVID, COVID. And I'm just like, wow, you put something out there, society sucks it down like it's the right thing to do. But anyway, I'm using these, and I am going to use a couple of these beads that I painted, the little stripe ones. And these are the 20 millimeter. So I'm going to go with these, just kind of mixing in the different design of the beads. See what we get. And then because I like these beads so much, I am going to be using some of these. Just something about this hot pink. 2, 3, 4. I was just looking at a news snippet, and it was saying something about, I think, the Dominican Republic, where it's flooding, or I guess they got a storm coming through there. What name is that they got for that storm? Um, Man, I just looked at it and just forgot it just that quick. And I'm just like, wow. Somebody had made a comment about, yeah, they got to get all this old stuff off of the shelves. So all of a sudden it's hurricanes all over the place, where people out buying things that they know that they don't need and stuff that they do need. And that literally helps the stores, to sell out stuff that they've been having on the shelves forever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you think about it, it's true because people are holding on to their money. People are not spending as much as, I don't think that people are, spending as much as they were spending. Just kind of holding on to what you got because you never know what's going to happen. And a lot of people came through COVID starting their own business and still, and still doing well with their businesses. That's really good. I know a couple of people myself, catering and also event setup. So I know a couple of people that actually started during COVID and really started booming after COVID with the event planning. Also like event decorating for like baby showers, parties, like all that type of stuff. And they're doing like really well. And they like, there is no way I would go back to a regular job if I didn't have to. And it's like, okay, that's the whole point of it. If you don't have to and you don't want the benefits, by all means, do what you have to do. Right? This is really pretty. I really love the way just all the patterns just match real good. I'm gonna put a couple of these little charms on there. Wow. And then with your fingernails done, one of the ladies at Albertsons, the Albertson I go to, when I say her nails are like amazingly done, they are like amazingly done. She be having chairs and cookies and all type of stuff on her nails, and I just be like, wow. And she a cashier at Albertson. She been there a really long time too. And then let's see, I really like the way these look. These are really pretty. And then I'm gonna throw on a couple of these little charms that I made with the beads. Just a couple of these. I'll throw one of these little gold color beads on here. Put that on there. Then do a couple of these little frost beads. Just a couple. I need to make some more of those boho fabric bracelets. I've been getting some requests for those. I do need to make more of those and put those on the website. And then close this off nice and tight. And then that's really pretty. Slide that on. I recently went to, when did I go to that concert? What is this? This is August. Was it June or July? It was an Erykah Badu concert here in San Diego. I went to the Erykah Badu concert. The lady that was there, when I tell you she was, oh my God, I don't know where she got her jewelry from, but she was just popping. And when you say big and bold and colorful and, just pieces you have never seen before, and she might even make it. Because I mean, from her earrings to her necklaces to her bracelets, and she had both wrists just feel, giving you that Erykah Badu vibe, but in her own type of way. I mean, her jewelry was just gorgeous. I was just like, wow, like absolutely amazing. This is really pretty. I really like these. These are really pretty. So that's what I'm doing. I'm making some bracelets right now, trying to make enough of them so I can add them to both of the websites. So that's these. We got these done. I got enough beads, so I got 4 more of these. I might even have some more of these left around here somewhere. I'm gonna dig around and see if I can find more of these, and I can get at least maybe, if I find a couple more. So I know 4. And I got some somewhere, so I'm thinking I might be able to come up with about 6 of them. So I'll have those and then put those on the website, that fair.com website. But anyway, family, let me see if I could take a good picture real quick. Those are really pretty. See what kind of picture I can get. Something just really, probably have to put them on the table and take the picture. But anyway, we'll talk.